Have you been looking for that vacation home that just hits 100? This one hits 131. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yes, by the way, this is your second stairwell. What's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the Forest River Salem Hemisphere ROOST43. Now, at the beginning, I said if you've been looking for that vacation home that's 100, this one is 131. What am I talking about? The biggest you could get when it came to space inside of RVs was 399 square feet. Thanks to how they redid these destination fifth wheels, you can now get 530 square feet of living space inside your RV. This ROOST43, this beauty is 43 feet, 9 inches, 15,000 pounds dry. But right here in the living area, highlighted by beautiful, large glass sliding doors, a kitchen setup that's going to make anybody envious, plus a washer dryer room off the side. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's start right here with your island kitchen. Now, you're going to find inside the Roost and the Salem Hemisphere brand, everything is going to be upgraded because we are a destination fifth wheel. Not fun to tow, I'm going to tell you that right now, but once you set it up, dude, you're set. You're set for life. Now, solid wood with the maple glazing on this. I love the hardwood look and feel. Plus, I have a gunmetal stainless steel sink with a high-rise sprayer faucet that also has the bottle washer, the temperature control, and the multi-settings for cutting boards, as well as washing out the veggies, the strainer, the whole nine. Add that to the fact that I also have the sanitization station. That's going to come in handy. This doubles as prep as well as eating space because right here is your bar top dining table. Love the fact that I have the leather chairs, and right behind me is going to be where I'm going to make all that delicious food. I got the Furion oversized 30-inch convection oven, beautiful glazed cabinetry with the oil bronze pulls. Just looks good. Solid wood construction, and all my drawers are full extension on drawer guides, solid wood. And your ROOST43 even has a water filtration system on it. But check this out, because your destination, you want to have a vacation home. So you're going to have home-like amenities, including a 24-inch oven right here, range with 4 burners on it, and the grill-style grates. Not only is this modern, rugged looking, it's also beautiful and extremely functional. And with that 24-inch oven, go ahead, bake the turkey and the shrinky dinks. You got more storage space with your pull-out pantry right here. Great little area and maximizing that space. And a 20 cubic foot Furion fridge freezer combo with the fresh filter and the double door freezer on it. What's cool about this is you also have a wine rack up top and a mini buffet right here to the side. I got the molded tops on all my cabinetry. I got the solid wood shelf up here with my square windows and the thin shades inside of them. The magnet clasps for my doors, more storage here. Right there is the laundry room. We'll get to that here in just a second. But just take a look at the flow, the height, and the space. Add that to the fact that I have upgraded flooring, ducted heating, ceiling fans, wood inlay that's rustic with LED hanging lights, and a curtain rod here and more windows. This is great for just setting up the beach, the mountains, the lake, whatever you want, your vacation home. And this is just the entry. Let me show you the rear. Let's check it out. Right here is going to be your plush upgraded leather sectional. Yes, this does pull out into a sleeper, can easily accommodate 2 adults, and look at the windows that we have here. Not only are they square like what you have inside your house, they're also wood skirted, making it look a little bit more residential. And I have the pull down shades.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. I only got pull downs here. On this one, I got pull across. So, and I even have the pull across thin shades to give me some privacy and light dampening when I need it. But across from me is going to be my entertainment center with a 65-inch Connects Smart TV. Add that to the fact that it's got that Forest River calling card, the blue light backlight. I got the JBL Cube sound system with the subwoofer and a 48-inch fireplace that's going to give me roughly 4,000 to 5,000 BTUs of additional heat coming off of that bad boy. Multi-flame setting, multi-light setting, does a great job of knocking the chill off the air. But what an awesome, just convening spot for the family, for the loved ones. Now, this table does come with it, and you can move it in and out. How many times have you seen an RV with a functional coffee table. Not until now. And you know, I think they call this the roost because even though the kids have left, they're going to want to come back and roost when they find out mom and dad have picked this thing up. Now, up above your living area, yeah, even though with these high ceilings, you're going to have a loft area. You got the spiral staircase. Right down there, by the way, is your subwoofer underneath a movable nightstand if you want it. Shelving, windows, 110 charging, the whole nine. You got it all up here. Now, this area highlighted by, I got my twin size beds, which I can easily sleep 2 adults, 3 kids up here if I want to. Storage options. I got an AC up here, and yeah, you got a bunch of ACs, a bunch of HVAC in this beauty, because you're talking about 43 feet, 9 inches, 15,000 pounds of your vacation home. So all your HVAC, your water, like your tankless water heater, 60,000 BTUs, everything in here is going to be upgraded and ready to roll, so you can just come, live, and enjoy whenever you want. Sleeping space, storage space, decorative iron railing, as well as decorative iron railing over there with patterns in it. Pretty sweet for the rear, but let me show you what we got up front. Now, the front of your Salem Hemisphere ROOST43 is highlighted by actually 3 separate rooms. You got the bathroom, laundry room right here, loft bedroom, and primary bedroom. So let's check out the bathroom and laundry room first. I even like how they got the kick thing down here so you're not hitting your cabinets when you open the door. Solid wood, matte black with framing, walking into a versatile, beautiful bathroom. I've been in a bunch of stuff, but nothing quite like this. So let's say you need additional storage space. Maybe you want to throw a kayak or something like that. This table folds down, allowing you to also turn your bathroom into an extra storage while traveling if you need to. This comes up, giving you a great space for your laundry, because your ROOST43 also comes with the Splendide washer-dryer combo. You can talk to your specialist at Camping World about saying, hey, can I get the contour? Absolutely. Another storage shelf right here, rustic, but also cool looking with the wood and the faux wrought iron look. Hangers in the back. Sliding door here, because with your high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush, why not have access to your bourbons, your Captain Crunches, as well as your Girl Scout cookies? Great spot to hide them, right? Absolutely. Not as great as this shower. Love the fact that this is a walk-in, glass-enclosed, residential-styled shower. Now, I got the upgraded shower head right here, soap shelf, controls, notches, and a teak seat, just in case I want to sit down and shave my legs, which I usually do on Tuesdays. Not the most beautiful part of the bathroom, though. Right here, in my opinion, is take a look at the vessel sink, the backlit mirror. That right there is your vent and fan, which is pretty awesome, but more wood shelves and more storage than you can shake a stick at. Absolutely love the flow. Plus, everything just looks good. It's rustic, but modern. Now let's check out the second of the 3rd rooms right up front. Oh my God, I hope Emmy saves sitting duck. Okay, so the second of the 3 rooms up front of your ROOST43 is actually a loft. Yes, this is a bed big enough to house at least 2 adults. You do have the removable safety rail if you do have the kids up there, the dogs, or using it for storage, but USB-C charging, 110 outlets, more cubby space over here, as well as TV entertainment if you need it. But I love these because those blinds are shutters. They open and close. Absolutely love that. Airflow, privacy, whatever you want, because you got the giant square windows for light and cross breeze if you need it. Might not. And your ladder is hideaway and metal. Very nice feature in your ROOST43. Okay, I know what you're saying. Chris, cool, privacy curtain. Yeah, we're good to go. This looks awesome. Show us that primary bedroom. Come on. So just full transparency here. This is my first time walking in this thing. Holy crap, man. For real? Okay. Let's talk about this beauty. King size bed in the slide. I like how they gave me my metal holders up top because we are 43 feet 9 inches. We're pretty much reaching the tip of tip when it comes to RV size. Padded headboard with the LED lights. I got the thin shades once again in my square windows, a spot for my cell phone. I'm looking for USB or power though. I'm assuming it's going to be, oh, we over here in the wood. Wow, that's nice. Okay. Look nice, but also functional too. And if you need more storage, check out what they did with the underbed storage. So it's strut supported. I got my spot right there for laundry baskets, bags, whatever. But they also gave me some organizational cube that I can put in there. I got the solid barn door separating the bedroom area from the bathroom area with high-rise porcelain bowl, that gorgeous mirror like we have in the other bathroom, and storage underneath. But to me, the calling card is this. Yeah, sure, I got another AC in here. I got TV with a fireplace underneath it. Yeah, you got a 30-inch fireplace in this bad boy with ward storage on both sides because you got to be bougie when you're up in your roost. I dig it. But having bay windows with prep area right here that I could make into an office if I wanted to, or because, you know, I'm big on my hair, I put up my window, my mirror, and I fix it. And then when it's ready to play the Lou Rawls, you'll never find. Yeah, you can set the mood inside your roost. Wow. Storage, man, this thing's ridiculous. Just ridiculous. See how your roost could be if you set it up? Welcome to the exterior of your Salem Hemisphere by Forest River Roost 43. Once again, we're 43 feet, 9 inches, 15,000 pounds dry, and the outside highlighted by a 20-foot awning with LED light strip, great storage, and something unique that's going to help. What am I talking about? I'll show you here in a second. 20-foot awning with the LED light strip. You even have dual Everchill fridge freezer combos out here. What's cool about this is you have the LP Quick Connect underneath. So if you want to bring out your grill and do some cooking, you absolutely can. Now for your storage, you do have some exterior storage as well, so you still kind of get that RV style feel. But what's cool about this one is you have the slide out tray, making loading and unloading a whole lot easier. You'll also see you got the bottle opener, diamond plating around the sides and bottom, plus you got the battery disconnect and your solar charge controller. This one is pre-wired for solar, so go ahead and buy the panel, put it on top. Trust me, you'll like it. Side closing luggage doors. Over here is going to be your propane, aka your LPs. Good spot. You have a 30-pounder on both sides, plus the leash latch. What's cool about this is if you're at the campsite, you want to secure the pet, you absolutely can. All of your slides also have slide toppers. You have the accessibility underneath with 12-volt heating pads on all of your tanks. And for your tanks, you got 57, 59, and 53. I like that, but I don't like that. If I had one knock, it would probably be that. If I'm going to have a coach this big, it's going to be a destination RV, sure, you're probably going to set it up with shore power and water connection. So the tanks won't really matter. But if you take it somewhere out, you probably need bigger tanks. Just me. Could be. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know. Right up here, you got the Lippert Rhino box hitch. When towing, that's going to help reduce that chucking and bucking. You'll see down here, you do have the storage box, aka the Jenny box if you need it. You also got your controls for your exterior over here. This is where you're going to have your outside shower, your filtration system, as well as your black tank flush and your fills for your tanks. 50 amp cable there. Dexter Easy Lubes on your axles here with the aluminum rims. I like how this is a trip axle. And just take a look at those slides. I mean, just gorgeous, beautiful fiberglass exterior with the gel coat. This is also vacuum bonding construction. What does that mean? You got aluminum and foam, and you got that fiberglass exterior, and they apply 120 pounds of pressure per square inch to make sure all those interior components adhere and adhere safely. But the last thing I want to show you on the exterior is the grade. So you'll see right above the Forest River, you have an angle. What that's going to do, that's going to make sure that if there's any water or snow on top, when it falls off, it's going to go on the off-camp side versus the camp side. Meaning if you do have that deck set up out there, you don't have to worry about everything falling off and making you wet. And your slides are protected with the slide toppers anyway. So 43 feet, 15,000 pounds dry, but has everything you need for a vacation home away from home. But the best part about the Salem Hemisphere Roost 43, the family can come back to roost if you want them. And you can pick it up at your local Camping World or at rv.campingworld.com. Also, please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Salem Hemisphere Roost 43. She's big. I'll see you soon.